Hello everyone, welcome to, Cat Object Cat. So, what's the first challenge? Let's do the team picking thing. Form 8 teams of 2.
Hey, mug cake.
What?
Team.
Hey, P/U. I need a strong team member, so I choose you.
Salt, I might be able to pass time, but I'm not strong.
I could join. Yeah, but the teams can only have 2 people.
Well, there is 19 contestants, so one of the teams will have to have 3 people.
Oh, cool!
So how about Team Sapurpa?
Why?
Because it equally represents all of us.
I need to find a team! Hey, text box!
Let's form
A team!
On to form a team. Yeah, but what's our team name? I don't know. Team.
LED, can we be a team? Yeah! What should our name be? This is the team jingle.
Oh, you want to be on my team? So what should our team name be? I choose you!
Okay. That means you two are a team. Now it's time for the bouncy challenge.
But what is the challenge?
Bouncy.
What?
All
Oh.
of acid. Touch the bouncy ball and you're dead. The first 4 duos that are fully dead are up for elimination. Go.
Uh-oh, the acid ball accidentally lit the fuse on the inconveniently placed bomb.